Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up ZeroTier VPN to access VPS securely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up ZeroTier VPN for secure access to your VPS, start by creating a ZeroTier account. Visit the ZeroTier website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your details to register for a new account. Once registered, log in to the ZeroTier web console. Click on the Create a Network button to set up a new virtual network. Make note of your newly created network ID, as you'll need it later. Now, proceed to your VPS and connect to it via SSH. Once logged in, you will need to install the ZeroTier client. For Ubuntu or Debian, run the command curl https://install.zerotier.com sudo bash. For CentOS or RHEL, use the command yum install y0tier1. After installation, start the ZeroTier service with sudo systemcll start ZeroTier1. Enable the service to start on boot using sudo systemcll enable ZeroTier1. Next, join the network by running sudo ZeroTier CLI join your _network _ID. Replace your _network _ID with the ID you noted earlier. Return to your ZeroTier web console. You should see your VPS listed as an unapproved device under your network. Click on the device's checkbox to authorize it. Now navigate back to your local machine. Install the ZeroTier client on your local device by following the instructions for your operating system. For Windows, download the installer from the ZeroTier website. For Mac OS, use Homebrew to install ZeroTier with the command brew install ZeroTier1. For Linux, use the same installation instructions as for your VPS. Once installed, join the same ZeroTier network on your local device. Open the terminal or command prompt and run ZeroTier CLI join your _network _ID. After a moment, return to the ZeroTier web console to authorize your local device. Once both devices are authorized, you can check the assigned IP addresses. Make a note of the ZeroTier IP address assigned to your VPS. Now you can securely connect to your VPS using its ZeroTier IP address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.